On the Hindu planet of Dhruva, a sense of dread filled the hearts of its inhabitants. Hiranyaksh, a powerful demon, had devised a sinister plan to submerge their world into the cosmic ocean of darkness, sacrificing their sacred land to satisfy his malevolent ambitions. His dark magic had already begun to disrupt the planet's core, causing tremors and chaos throughout the land. The Hindus, led by their brave king, Dhruva, scrambled to find a solution, but Hiranyaksha's powers seemed too great to overcome. Their only hope lay in the ancient prophecy of Lord Vishnu's intervention, but would it come in time? As Hiranyaksha's dark magic intensified, the Hindus of Dhruva called upon Lord Vishnu, their revered savior. In response, Vishnu descended upon the planet, his celestial vessel shining brighter than the brightest star. With a gentle smile, he assured the Hindus of his support. The battle against Hiranyaksh and his giant demon brothers, Hiranyaksha and Holika, began. The demons unleashed their formidable powers, but the Hindus, armed with advanced technology and divine blessings, fought valiantly. King Dhruva led the charge, his laser sword slicing through the demons' dark energy shields. Vishnu, in his majestic form, confronted Hiranyaksh, their powers clashing in a spectacular display of light and sound. The planet trembled as the two forces collided, the fate of Dhruva hanging in the balance. As the battle raged on, the Hindu sci-fi weaponry and Vishnu's divine powers proved to be a winning combination. Hiranyaksha's brothers fell, their dark magic dissipating into the cosmos. Finally, Hiranyaksh himself was defeated, his plan to submerge Dhruva foiled. With the demons vanquished, the planet of Dhruva was saved. The Hindus rejoiced, their gratitude to Vishnu echoing through the galaxy. The god, with a gentle nod, vanished into the cosmic ether, leaving behind a planet forever changed by the power of faith and technology. The Hindus of Dhruva continued to thrive, their connection to the divine and their advanced knowledge a beacon of hope in the vast expanse of the universe. The planet of Dhruva shone brighter, its people safe, thanks to Vishnu's intervention.